ID Attendance is much more than a simple attendance app. Let's say we have a support team agent working shift from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. She has completed her shift, but she still has some work pending. So, she updates her next shift agent about the pending works through email or phone. The same happens for the next agents and the cycle goes on. But what if these handover messages are logged in a Google Sheet so that you and your agents can refer it? Each of your agent can check in by filling an attendance form in Google Sheets when they start their shift. Then, when their shift has ended, they can check out by marking in the form, leaving some updates for the next agent. We can make any types of forms. You can even customize your attendance form and allow users to mark them any number of times, or allow them to mark only once. This is useful when we send survey-like forms to our teams. Let's check out our app in action. In a Google Sheet, install the add-on link in description. For creating an attendance, click ID Attendance, Admin Panel, Start Admin Settings. Click Preview Attendance and click OK. This will create the sheets required for the attendance. The first sheet, Allowed Users, contains the email IDs of the users that are allowed to sign in. Let's add a user. The second sheet contains the attendance. It's easy to create a form using this sheet. First, let's see the CICO, that is check-in and check-out type attendance. Here we have 3 columns. We select the type as CICO. Here, we allow the users to check in and check out. Similarly, enter the attendance name in the next line. Then enter your organization name, contact and logo URL. The third column is simply the CSS. You can even change or delete these parameters. Let's just preview our attendance. Click Preview Attendance in the add-on. This is how the user views your attendance. You can see that the organization name is the title. The contact and the logo is also displayed below. For example, let's just change parameters of logo URL. We adjust the width, height and the border radius. Click Hide Preview and then click Preview Attendance to reload the changes. You can see that the image width and height has been changed. We can create text boxes, drop-down lists, radio buttons, checkboxes and much more. Let's insert a text box for this example. Enter the label of the text box in the value column. Enter parameters like placeholders. Let's preview the attendance again. The text box to enter email is added. All the other sheets are simply logs. Our form is ready. Click Publish Attendance to publish the attendance. You can see that we have allowed 2 users as mentioned in the allowed users sheet. Click refresh. The attendance is now published and your users can mark them. Let's see how the users mark attendance. The user can simply open a Google Sheet, install the add-on and click Add-ons, ID Attendance, Mark Now. The user first needs to add the attendance, so he clicks Add New Attendance. Enter the email ID of the attendance creator. The attendance name will be visible to the user. Click Add and then click Refresh. The user does this only once. The user selects the attendance and clicks Show Attendance. The user fills the form. Since our attendance type is CICO, the user will check in. Once he is checked in, his status will be online. Done. Let's check our logs page. The logs are loaded every hour. We can simply fetch the logs manually by clicking Add-ons, ID Attendance, Admin Panel and Fetch Logs. CICO log sheet contains all the logs. You can use CICO status logs to see a user's current status, whether he is checked in or checked out. Once the agents finishes their shift, they can open the attendance again and mark checkout. The logs are also updated. We have 3 types of attendances: daily, CICO and once. If you select daily, the users can fill the attendance any number of times. If you select once, the user can fill the attendance only once. You can check out our video on how to use advanced options to create an attendance.